everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have some friend mail. I have some friend mail from my friend Misty. She did a little declutter of some stuff. Some of it I knew I was getting, some of it I did not know. But that's okay, we're going to get into this. It is a big old box of stuff right here. It is a lot. This is the absolute demise of my makeup rehab, and I'm not sure how I feel about that. There are some beautiful things in here, some things I'm not sure about because I haven't tested them out yet, and I don't know if the colors will work for me, but you know, let's get into this. Yes, I'm a little bit shiny. We were well into the 90s today, and it was hot and humid, and you know, when you have oily skin, you just glisten and glow. Let's get into this box. It is a ton of stuff in here. I did unpack it, so I took all the bubble wrap off and everything else. But I'm going to show you what is in here. I'm going to move my water bottle out of the way and move this box over here so that it's not like right in front of the camera. And let's just dive in. I would say most of this is makeup. There is, I think, just one thing that is not makeup. I think this is the only thing that isn't. This is Bath & Body Works Pink Pineapple Surprise Moisturizing Body Wash. I don't know why Misty didn't want this in her collection. Oh my goodness, it smells like pineapple candies, and oh, it smells so good. I kind of want to drink it. I know it's kind of weird, but there's some good smelling stuff out there. So much stuff in here. I don't even know where to begin. It is just, it's craziness. All right, let's start with the complexion products. There's so many. This is from Revolution. It is the Ultra Cream Bronzer in medium. And I don't know in what world this is medium, because she dark. That is dark. I have, you know, some dark skin, but look at that. I am a true medium, like a neutral medium, and this is cool. I don't know if it's going to blend out enough. I don't know. That's pretty dark. I see why Misty didn't want to keep that one, because that's a little out of control. I'm going to try it. We'll see if it works for me. If it doesn't, I'm just going to pass it on to someone else. Might work as a contour because it is on the cooler side. I have most of it piled here in front of me now. There are 2 nail polishes in here. Let's get rid of that box. These are stunning. These are absolutely stunning. These are from Cleona, and I don't know if they have names. Oh, Dragon Teeny is this one, which is super, super pretty. I did try them on bare nails when I first opened the box, and they are going to be working as toppers for me, but I love them. And this one is Pitaya, I'm not sure how that's pronounced, but it is so pretty. They're similar, but they are not the same. This one definitely pulls more gold with just a hint of pink undertone. This one has more of like that pinky purple, and then there's greens and some other stuff, but it does pull a little bit gold. I think if those were eyeshadows, those would be right up Misty's alley. Not for nail polish. She gets her nails done anyway. She says she only really puts stuff on her toes. Those just didn't work for her. And I'm a nail polish fiend, so I'm always happy to take some nail polish. All right, some things that she sent that I knew she was going to send. This is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter Foundation. This I'm going to have to try in the winter time. If you hear weird sounds, Greta just went right behind me. This is definitely too light for me right now. It might work as a mixer for some of the things that are a little bit dark. I don't know. I am a little nervous about the Halo Glow. Since I glisten and glow on my own, we'll have to see. Like I said, some of this stuff may work for me. It may not. There are 2 NYX concealer serums. They're definitely 2 different shades. We'll give it a try, see if they work out. That is like the basic complexion stuff, but there is another bronzer here. It is a super dewy bronzer. It is a liquid bronzer. I believe this is Revolution. And again, the dewy stuff I am concerned about. Misty's a dry skin girl. I am an oily skin girl. We are opposites. Opposites as far as our skin and our hair, our coloring. It's kind of crazy how it works, but you know, it's kind of neat though that we can send each other stuff, because I have a box that is leaving my house and is going to be going to her house, which I will show you another day. Moving on to the liquid blush from Revolution. I think this color is probably going to be okay for me. I hope it's okay for me. I'm trying to not squeeze it all over the place. It's not really showing right there, but yeah, I will give that a try and see if that works for me. There's another little squeezy tube of blush. This is Revolution by Rocks. Whatever that means, I don't know. This one is definitely more orangey toned. That could get interesting. I don't know how that'll look on my skin. That is bright. I don't know. I'm gonna have to see if that will blend out. That kind of scares me. Let's see. Will it blend out? Oh, I think it will. I think that'll blend out. I might be able to pull that off. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. I feel like if I could get some out of this one, that this one would actually be a better color for me. But I don't know. The tube seems to be a little bit clogged. I'll have to stick a little pin in there or something. Now that I have that all over my fingers. There is a highlighter. I believe this is also Revolution. And this is a liquid highlighter. And it says lemon. Is it a yellow highlighter? Or is it gold? Lemony gold, that is. It is, that is an interesting color right there. I don't know. Like I said, I'm going to be trying some of these. I don't know if they're going to work or not, but that's a little scary right there. It is straight up gold. And I'm still glistening even though I wiped some of it off. There is some more complexion stuff here. This is from Revolution, and it is the Coconut Ombre Highlighter. It just looks like a basic highlighter to me. I definitely can use that color. Look at the tan lines from my watch. Pretty crazy, huh? And then this is also from Revolution. A lot of Revolution stuff here. This looks like a highlighter and maybe blush topper. It's a very soft formula. Kind of like that. That is it all swirled together. It's a little icy, but I feel like if I used a light hand, it probably would work for me as a highlighter or a blush topper. I could use it as my inner corner highlight. I think that's really pretty. Blush. There is a Super Shock blush here, and this does have some kind of peachy undertones, so I'm not surprised that Misty gave this one up. Of her 600 million blushes that she owns. Teasing? I'm teasing. She probably only has about 4 million. She did send some Jelly Much. These two are the exact same one. This is the strawberry jelly. I think I have strawberry jam. I'm trying to remember what I have in my collection. I have something that is very similar. Is it strawberry? Yeah, it is strawberry jam. They are not the same. But she did send me two of the strawberry jellies. They're similar, but they're not exactly the same. And I love these shades. I like Jelly Much. I know they dry out pretty easily, but they're so easy to revive. And if you hear that sound, Greta's over here chewing on a bone. It's a little noisy. They're super easy to revive. I just put contact solution in them or saline solution because they are sterile and eye safe, and they're like brand new. And then this one I think is from the Disney Villains collection, and this is in the shade Spindle, which is, like I said, it is dry, but it is very pretty, and I'll revive it and use it. I'm not worried about that at all. All right. Oh, this is another complexion product. I forgot about this one. This is the Revolution Disney Minnie Mouse. It is a blush and highlighter. Super cute, and they're definitely my color tones. And then this is what's going to kill my Makeup Rehab palettes. She sent me some palettes that she wanted to get rid of, and I'm interested to try some of these. This is the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions. This one's a little bit older, but it is really pretty. I love my purples, so I can't wait to try that one. I've got 4 color pops here. The Main Squeeze. This is one that I was never able to get, and I do like these tones. Wine and Only. It's the berry wine tones, which I really like a whole lot. All right, the next from ColourPop is Blush Crush. Very, very neutral, very easy to use. And this is one that I missed out on. I think I was on a no-buy when this came out, and I was not able to get it. It is the Tinkerbell palette, and I love me some greens. Absolutely love me some greens. And I am going to enjoy playing with this one. Very last thing in here is from Odin's Eye. I want to say this is Norn's eyeshadow palette. It's hard to read this text. I believe that's what it is, Norn''S. This is really pretty. I'm a little nervous with the blue, but it is a very pretty palette. And like, I feel like that I can probably tolerate. Maybe. I don't know. But the shimmers in this are stunning. Absolutely stunning. Look at those. Such pretty colors. This one I love. Hallucination. Yeah, I am digging these shades. The green, which is Green Chameleon. I am here for that one. I am going to play with those. I think some of these are going to go really well with my Pan That palette. I'm going to have so much fun with this. I'm not going to swatch them all because I could be here all day swatching them. They're so pretty. And I have never used Odin's Eye, so it's kind of exciting that I'm going to get to play with that one. And yes, I'm even going to use the blue. As much as it scares me, it is bright and has like some purple shift to it. So I think I'm going to live with that one. I think I'll be okay with it. I counted all of this up and it does come to 80 points, which is a lot because I do count every single pan of eyeshadow. Like this would count as 2 because there's a highlighter and a blush in there. I do not know yet if I'm keeping everything here because, like I said, some things, the color may not suit my skin tone. I don't know yet. If that's the case, I will pass those on to someone else, which is kind of cool. You know, share the love whenever possible, which is what I like to do. It will probably all end up in my rehab for the next update until I have a chance to go through everything and really try it on and see if it works for me. So yeah, I think I might have a little bit of a heart attack when I have to film my next makeup rehab, which is coming up in a few days. So much for trying to build that bank up because I think it is done right here. So be on the lookout for that in the next few days. I'm gonna have to clean up this desk because it is a hot mess right now. But Misty, thank you very much for this. Of course, I've already extended my thanks to her, you know, personally, but I just wanted to share her generosity, and I can't wait to send her a box. It's not going to be like this because this is a lot of stuff, but I am going to be sending her a box very, very soon, and I guess that is everything. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.